Welcome to a thought-provoking exploration of cultural dynamics in our modern world. In this video, we delve into the concepts of cultural assimilation and cultural pluralism, examining how societies navigate the complexities of diverse cultural backgrounds. Join us as we unravel the tensions between maintaining cultural identity and fostering integration. Cultural assimilation defined. Cultural assimilation is a transformative process wherein individuals originating from various cultural backgrounds embrace the customs, values, and behaviors of the dominant culture. Regarded as a facet of cultural integration, assimilation entails the amalgamation of diverse elements into a cohesive entity. While this process can contribute to unity and social cohesion, it introduces critical considerations regarding the preservation of distinct cultural identities and the potential imposition of a singular norm. The complex interplay between assimilation and cultural diversity prompts reflections on the delicate equilibrium required to foster unity without sacrificing the richness that diverse cultures bring to the collective human experience. This tension underscores the importance of crafting inclusive social frameworks that allow for integration while respecting and celebrating the unique contributions of each cultural group. The tensions of assimilation. In the intricate dance of societal evolution, the embrace of assimilation often intertwines with the preservation of cultural diversity, giving rise to nuanced tensions. As societies grapple with the desire for unity, individuals navigate the delicate task of reconciling their heritage with the expectations set by the dominant culture. The challenge lies not only in fostering a sense of unity but also in doing so without homogenizing the rich tapestry of cultural diversity. Striking this balance necessitates thoughtful policies that recognize and appreciate the unique contributions of each cultural thread. It demands a genuine commitment to inclusivity, where diverse voices are not only heard but celebrated. The equilibrium between assimilation and cultural diversity is a delicate one, requiring a harmonious blend that acknowledges the past while evolving towards a more inclusive future. Cultural pluralism explored. In contrast to the assimilative approach, cultural pluralism stands as a champion of diversity, recognizing it not as a challenge but as a cornerstone of societal identity. This philosophy actively promotes the coexistence of unique cultures, emphasizing mutual respect and understanding among various communities. At its core, cultural pluralism is a celebration of the intricate mosaic formed by diverse traditions, languages, and customs within a society. It fundamentally acknowledges that embracing and preserving this diversity contributes to a more vibrant, dynamic, and enriched social fabric. In a pluralistic framework, the differences among cultural groups are not only accepted but celebrated as valuable threads in the intricate tapestry of humanity, fostering a harmonious environment where each community's distinctiveness enhances the overall richness of the societal experience. Managing diversity in pluralistic societies. In pluralistic societies, diversity is regarded not as a challenge to overcome but as a valuable asset that contributes to the richness of the societal tapestry. Instead of advocating for assimilation, these societies actively endorse policies that foster cultural expression, prioritize language preservation, and celebrate unique traditions. The true challenge lies in the creation of environments where various cultural groups can coexist harmoniously. This involves cultivating an atmosphere of mutual respect, understanding, and appreciation for the diverse contributions that each group brings. Pluralistic societies strive to build bridges between different communities, promoting an inclusive ethos that transcends divisive tensions and allows for the collective celebration of the varied aspects that make each culture distinctive. The global perspective. In our increasingly interconnected world, the concepts of cultural assimilation and pluralism have profound global implications. The forces of migration, propelled by geopolitical shifts and economic dynamics, alongside rapid technological advancements and the expansive reach of international trade, have facilitated unprecedented cultural interactions. This interconnectivity necessitates a nuanced approach to cultural integration, acknowledging the richness that diversity brings to the global stage. As we navigate the complexities of a globalized society, the imperative lies in understanding and respecting diverse cultural perspectives. Such an understanding becomes not only a virtue but a necessity for fostering peaceful coexistence on a planetary scale. It calls for a shift in mindset, one that recognizes the interconnectedness of cultures and the shared responsibility to create a world where diversity is celebrated as a source of strength rather than a point of division. In conclusion, the concepts of cultural assimilation and cultural pluralism illuminate the challenges and opportunities inherent in managing diverse cultural backgrounds. Striking a balance between assimilation and pluralism requires thoughtful reflection, inclusive policies, and an appreciation for the unique contributions of each cultural group. Let this exploration serve as an invitation to engage in meaningful conversations about how societies can evolve to embrace diversity, recognizing the value that every culture brings to the collective human experience. If you found this video enlightening, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more insightful explorations into the dynamics shaping our world.